In this quick video, I'll show you how to share files from phone to laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now sharing files from phone to laptop is really easy. For that we just need to take our charging cable and insert the one end of your charging cable in your mobile's charging socket and the other end into your laptop, just like this. Once you done that, then on your mobile it might give you the pop-up asking for your mobile permission. If it asks for it, then just allow the permission. If it doesn't, then you can just scroll down on your notification panel just like this and then tap on the charging this device option. If you tap on it, then it will give you multiple options. On my mobile it has given file transfer option. Then just tap on the file transfer option to allow the file transfer from your mobile to laptop. As you can see, I have got my mobile on my file manager on my computer. We just need to open it. After that, go to the internal storage of your mobile and now copy any file from your mobile and paste it in your computer. I want to copy ringtones of my mobile. So for that I just need to go to music folder and these are the ringtones. I just need to select it, Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy these files and then just go to your computers folder and then paste it here by Ctrl V, and there you go. I have successfully shared files from my mobile to laptop. Now if I was a big help, can you please like this video? For now, thanks for watching.